everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add bio on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Then tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on your profile picture. Select the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. There you can find About Me option. Select the text bar which is right below About Me option. Now you can add the bio. Once you're done, tap on the Save button. And this is how you can add bio on hi5. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.